he has how many people in your family make smoothies? Do you have anybody around family that do? Okay, so my son, his name is Jacob, by the way. He's a good dude. He's about 6'4". I'm 6 foot. Actually, I lied. I'm 5'11". I was 6 foot my whole life until about 5 years ago. Now I'm 5'11". But
Yeah, when you get older, sometimes your bones do compress and you do shrink a little bit, but don't worry about it.
Yeah, but
I'm still taller than you.
I'm almost as tall as my dad, so don't worry about it.
he's 6'4", and he weighs 35 pounds less than I do. He lifts weights all the time. He does martial arts. His morning starts with a smoothie that's full of bananas, apples, oranges, pears, whatever I buy, and a bunch of this. And that's what he eats, and then he goes off to work. And that gives him energy until it's time for him to take his first break, and then he'll have something with carbohydrates in it and stuff like that, because he's already up and around. This is bok choy. Anybody know where you'll find this?
No.
You'll find this mostly in Asian foods. This is also very good for you as well. All of these things, one thing I can promise you, if you eat any of these things at any part of your day, even at 8 o'clock at night, I can promise you one thing. Your body just got healthier. You cannot say that about a chicken nugget. You cannot say that about a bowl of cereal. You cannot say that about a cookie. But if you eat any of these things at any point of the day, your body just got healthier. All right? So that's the thing about these.
Can I ask a question?
Sure.
Is there a big health advantage between the kale and some of the other greens?
No, not huge. Kale is the leader in the clubhouse.
The leader. Oh.
But the other ones are pretty good as well.
It's the king.
But the others are pretty good as well. And but we're going to get into some of that. And I have in my hot little hands little samples of these different things you can try if you want. Chad's filming right now, but he'll walk around in a minute, and you guys can try some of this if you so desire. And then we're also going to make a kale Caesar salad. You guys are going to get to try. But first, we're going to go through this little packet.
I'm just going to suggest one thing. When it's time to taste it, give it a try. Give it a try. No, give it a try without any dressing on it first, just so you can get the taste of the flavor of that particular thing.
I don't like dressing, so that would be good for me. I don't like dressing.
Okay,